Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing and do not forget to like the video, leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section, and share this video to your friends and family. On this channel, we do food and mukbang. And to you, all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by to support your girl. So, guys, today I'll be showing you how to make your own delicious banga stew. This stew is so easy to make and it's so delicious. Okay, so relax. Let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. So these are the ingredients I'll be using to prepare my banga stew. I have here I'm using two pepper, red and yellow scotch bonnet pepper, my crayfish, scent leaf. Guys, to get that original banga stew, scent leaf is number one leaf to go with, okay? But if you don't have scent leaf, you can use any leaf of your choice, but you won't get that original banga taste. I have my onions and I'm using goat meat, so I'll be using this banga. This already extracted banga is very good, but you can use the fresh one. All you have to do is buy it from the market, wash it, boil it, and then extract the oil from the palm fruit. So I have this okpei here. This is fermented locust beans. I think that's what it's called, fermented locust beans. This is what to take your banga taste to another level, okay? So guys, let's start cooking. So we'll start now by cooking our meat. I'll be going in with my onion, I'll add in my pepper. Please go in with the amount of pepper you know you can tolerate, okay? I love spicy food, that's why I'm adding lots of pepper. I'll be adding my seasoning cube. I'm using no beef, ordinary no. Because my meat is frozen, I won't be able to stir it. I'll just go in with small water, cover the pot, allow this meat to cook, okay? And then I will come back later to stir the meat. So guys, I'll be stirring my meat now. I will cover this pot, allow this meat to cook. I'm using the male goat. When you want to buy your goat, please ask them for the male goat because it takes lesser time to cook than the female goat. I'll be going in now with my banga. So what I did was to pour the banga into this bowl and I dissolved with warm water and I'm adding it into my pot, okay? So I'm going to add everything because I'm not going to waste anything here. we don't waste anything in this kitchen. Okay. I'll be going in with my crayfish, and then I'll be adding in my obey now. I added small water to this to dissolve it, but you can blend yours with your crayfish. I'll be adding in my salt now. I'll be mixing this very well to combine, okay? So because this banga is thick, I'll be adding in a little water to dissolve it, because I don't like thick stew. So I'll just go in with a little water to dissolve it. I'm going to mix this to combine very well. I'll cover this pot and I'll allow this to cook for about 7 minutes, okay? Then I will come back to add my remaining ingredients. Our banga stew is almost ready, guys. If you have watched me up to this point and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay? And don't forget to like this video and leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section. So guys, I'm going in now with my scent leaf. I'm going to stir this, cover the pot and let it cook for just 2 minutes, and then we'll come back. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you have not given the video a thumbs up, okay? Look how yummy and delicious our banga stew is looking like. I'm going to cover the pot now and then we'll come back after 2 minutes. So guys, it's 2 minutes later. Look what we have here. Our banga stew is ready. I will give it a last stir and then I'll bring it down. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think of this banga stew. Would you love to make it? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have watched me up to now, you are yet to give this video a thumbs up, please give this video a thumbs up, okay? And share my video to your friends, share to your family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please stay safe until I come away next time, guys. Bye.